If you are a crossdresser who wants to achieve a feminine hourglass figure, you might be interested in crossdresser shapewear. Crossdresser shapewear is a type of clothing that is designed to enhance your curves, smooth your silhouette, and hide your male features. In this video, we will explain what crossdresser shapewear is, why you should use it, how to choose the right one for you, where to buy it, and how to care for it. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of crossdresser shapewear and how it can help you create a striking look. What is crossdresser shapewear? Crossdresser shapewear is a term that refers to any garment that is worn under your clothes to alter your body shape. There are different types of crossdresser shapewear, such as silicone hip pads. These are pads that are made of silicone and attached to your hips with adhesive or straps. They add volume and shape to your hips, creating a more feminine curve. Butt pads. These are pads that are made of silicone or foam and inserted into your panties or pants. They enhance the size and shape of your buttocks, making them look rounder and fuller. Corsets and cinchers. These are garments that are worn around your waist and tighten with laces or hooks. They compress your waistline, creating a smaller waist and a more defined curve. Gaff panties. These are panties that are specially designed to tuck your male genitals between your legs. They flatten your bulge, creating a smoother front. Girdles. These are garments that are worn around your lower abdomen and thighs. They smooth out any bumps or lumps, creating a slimmer figure. Body briefers. These are garments that cover your entire torso from your chest to your thighs. They lift your bust, cinch your waist, shape your hips, flatten your tummy, and smooth your thighs, creating an overall feminine silhouette. Why use crossdresser shapewear? There are many benefits and advantages of using crossdresser shapewear, such as it boosts your confidence. Wearing crossdresser shapewear can make you feel more comfortable and confident in your own skin. It can help you express your true self and feel more feminine. It enhances your appearance. Wearing crossdresser shapewear can make you look more attractive and appealing. It can help you create a more realistic and natural feminine figure that matches your desired image. It improves your posture. Wearing crossdresser shapewear can make you stand taller and straighter. It can help you correct your posture and alignment, reducing back pain and improving your health. It expands your wardrobe options. Wearing crossdresser shapewear can make you fit better into your clothes. It can help you wear more fitted and flattering outfits that show off your curves and style. How to choose the right crossdresser shapewear? Choosing the right crossdresser shapewear can be a challenging task, as there are many factors and tips to consider, such as size and fit. One of the most important factors to consider when buying crossdresser shapewear is the size and fit. You want to choose a size that is comfortable and snug, but not too tight or loose. A size that is too tight can cause discomfort, irritation, or even injury. A size that is too loose can cause slipping, bunching, or sagging. To find the right size, you need to measure yourself accurately and follow the size chart of the product you are buying. You can use a tape measure to measure your waist, hips, bust, and inseam. You can also try on the product before buying it or read customer reviews to get an idea of how it fits. Style and design. Another factor to consider when buying crossdresser shapewear is the style and design. You want to choose a style and design that suits your body type and preference. For example, if you have a pear-shaped body, you might want to choose a style that adds volume to your hips and butt, such as silicone hip pads or butt pads. If you have an apple-shaped body, you might want to choose a style that cinches your waist and flattens your tummy, such as corsets or cinchers. If you have a rectangular-shaped body, you might want to choose a style that creates curves on your bust and hips, such as body briefers or girdles. You also want to choose a design that matches your personal taste and style, such as the color, pattern, lace, or embroidery. Material and quality. Another factor to consider when buying crossdresser shapewear is the material and quality. You want to choose a material and quality that is comfortable and durable. You want to avoid materials that are too thick, heavy, or stiff, as they can cause overheating, sweating, or chafing. You also want to avoid materials that are too thin, light, or stretchy, as they can lose their shape, support, or effectiveness over time. You want to look for materials that are breathable, moisture-wicking, soft, smooth, and flexible, such as cotton, nylon, spandex, or silicone. You also want to look for quality that is high-end, well-made, and long-lasting, such as strong stitching, secure closures, and easy care. Price and value. Another factor to consider when buying crossdresser shapewear is the price and value. You want to choose a price and value that fits your budget and expectations. You want to avoid products that are too cheap or too expensive, as they can indicate poor quality or overpricing. You also want to avoid products that are too good to be true, as they can be scams or frauds. You want to look for products that are reasonably priced and offer good value for money, such as discounts, deals, guarantees, or warranties. You also want to look for products that have positive feedbacks from customers who have bought them before. Where to buy Crossdresser Shapewear? If you are looking for the best online stores for Crossdresser Shapewear, you can rely on Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. We will provide some of the best shapewear links in the description below. Crossdresser Shapewear is a type of clothing that can help you create a feminine hourglass figure by enhancing your curves, smoothing your silhouette, and hiding your male features. There are different types of crossdresser shapewear, such as silicone hip pads, butt pads, corsets, cinchers, gaff panties, girdles, and body briefers. To choose the right crossdresser shapewear for you, you need to consider the size, fit, style, design, material, quality, price, and value of the product. You can buy crossdresser shapewear from online stores. You also need to care for your crossdresser shapewear by washing, drying, storing, and maintaining it properly. By using crossdresser shapewear, you can boost your confidence, enhance your appearance, improve your posture, and expand your wardrobe options. Crossdresser shapewear can help you create a striking look that matches your desired image and style.
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.